Alright, so I'm going to show you a trick on how to turn some repeating decimals into fractions. Um, Now this is a trick that only works with certain ones, so um, be careful what you do it with. I'm actually going to add one at the bottom. This trick will not work with. Okay. So here's the thing. So if your first digit is repeating, okay, so this is 0.3 repeating, what you can do is place that repeating digit over 9. Okay. If you need to simplify, as I noticed 3 over 9 can be simplified by 3, you do so. Okay. So again, if the first digit repeats, you can place that over a 9. In this case, our 4 is repeating. 4 over 9 does not simplify, so that's just your final answer. Okay. I'd advise you to kind of try this one on your own real quick. So pause it and then restart it. You'll see if you get it right. Okay. So I get 0.6 repeating, so I'm going to put 6 over 9. Again, that first digit goes over 9. Okay, I notice this simplifies by 3 and gives me 2 over 3. All right. So here we have something a little different. We have our first 2 digits repeating. So instead of putting it over 9, like we do when our first digit is repeating, so our first 2 digits are repeating, I'm going to put that over 99. And just as before, see if you can simplify. I notice that 3 goes into both of these and becomes 4 over 33, which cannot be simplified any further. Okay. Again, I'd advise you to try and pause this one. Maybe go back and watch that one again if you need a second. Okay. I'm going to take the first 2 digits that are repeating, 0.36, and I'm going to place that over 99. Okay, now I've used 3 every other time, but 9 would actually work in this one. Okay, so 9 goes into both of these and gives me 4 over 11. But I'm going to do it the long way because 3 is going to work every time if it goes into the top number, because 3 is going to go into 99, 3 is going to go into 9. So I'm just going to do it the long way. Put 3 into this, gives me 12. 3 into 99 gives me 33. But I noticed, again, 3 goes into both of these. So 3 goes into 12 4 times. 3 goes into 33 11 times. And that cannot be simplified any further. Okay. Now this last one, okay, so this would be 0.16 repeating. So it's 0.166666. You cannot do this trick when the second digit, just the second digit repeating, or just the third digit. It has to be the first 2 digits or the first digit. Okay, even the first 3 digits. Okay, so something like this. So this can't be. So this is. You can't use the trick. Okay, there's no trick here. All right, no trick. So there is another way of doing it, but it's much more complicated. But for instance, if I had 0.123 repeating. Okay, first 3 digits, let's make that look like a 1, 2, 3, over, instead of putting 9 or 99, I'm putting 999, and that simplifies. I know 3 goes into both of these and gives me 41 over 333. Okay, so again, if the first digit's repeating, put it over 9. If the first 2 digits are repeating, put it over 99. And if it's not one of those two, like if it's something like this where that second digit is the only thing repeating or the third thing, you can't use this trick. Okay, so hope this helps.